Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit ad copy of a Facebook boosted post. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process. So here we go. As you can see, I've got this post on my page and I want to make some change here on this ad copy. So if I click here on these three dots and after that, if I click on edit post, and after that, let me paste the new copy that I have just written. Here you go. And now if I click on save, you're gonna see that we have got this message: you don't have permission to edit this promoted post. So now we're gonna fix this. We're gonna add this copy here on this post and then we're gonna launch our campaign again. So let me show you how we can make the changes. So to make the changes, basically we have to go back to our Facebook ads manager and then we have to find the campaign where we are using that Facebook post. So I have got this one, so I'm going to click here, and after that from ad set we're going to go to ads level and then we're going to click on this edit icon. And after that, you have to scroll a bit down and we're going to find this exact post. We have to change the post from here. So let me click on change post. And after that, I'm going to select one of the random posts from here. So let's say this one. And after that, if I click on continue, and then simply we have to publish the post. But don't worry, we are publishing the post for a temporary time. And then we're going to make the changes, come back again, and then we'll change the post with our previous one. So let me click on publish here, and now it is being published. It's time to go back here on this post. Here we go. Let's click on three dots again, and after that we're gonna click on edit post, and after that let's paste the new copy that I have got here. Here we go. And now if I click on save, here we go, the post has been changed, right? So this is the process how we can change the ad copy of any promoted post. Now what we have to do, we have to go back to our ads manager, and after that from this portion we're going to change the post again. So let me go here, let's click on change post, and after that we have to find that post that we have been using earlier from here. So let's click here, and after that let's click on continue, and after that if I click on publish, now, if you just take a look here, we have got the new ad copy right here, which is appearing here as well. All right, so this was the process how you can change ad copies of Facebook promoted post. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, and I'd love to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.